Did you know that Interworld Cleaning is a 5-star rated company that has been providing a greener, cleaner, and healthier environment since 2009? Decades of experience and hard work allowed us to perfect our services to better serve our customers and the community. Our staff is adequately trained, equipped, and experienced, and always adheres to the highest quality of standard. We have developed systems and procedures to keep things in check while ensuring that our customers and employees are protected and stay happy and healthy. After all, it's imperative to be able to choose the right product for the job, one that doesn't damage surfaces and/or equipment while removing, reducing, and/or completely eliminating dirt, bacteria, viruses, and other living harmful microorganisms. We're one of those ethical companies that genuinely care about the environment and, whenever possible, give preferences to eco-friendly products so that we can minimize our negative carbon footprint on our only planet. Thanks to our highest company values, we guarantee the quality of services, friendly communication, and of course, results that will exceed your expectations. While partnering with Interworld Cleaning, you are now becoming a part of our ever-growing and happy family.